Guys, today we are going to solve the question which is asking Sbi Clerk Maze 2022. So this is the question based on quadratic equation. So initially in the question they have given the two roots of a quadratic equations are 1 by 5 and 2 by 3. So they have mentioned roots of quadratic equation as 1 by 5 and 2 by 3. And they have given if quadratic equation derived from these roots. So 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 roots are given, and we need to find the quadratic equation from these two roots, and from these roots divided by 2. So whichever quadratic equation we get from these two roots we need to divide by 2, and we need to add 2.5 x square x 2.5 x square plus 0.5 x to it, and we need to find the product of the roots of newly formed quadratic equation. So in this basic they have given two roots. By using that we need to find the quadratic equation, and after finding quadratic equation we need to divide by 2 and add these to that equation. After that we need to find the product of roots of newly formed quadratic equations. So I will just solve step on step. So just I will explain one thing. Just let us consider one quadratic equation as x square plus 2x plus 1. So this is one quadratic equation. So 1 is there, so we have to find a true number such that their product should be 1. So here 1, so 1 into 1 is 1. So we need to find two numbers such that their product should be 1 and their addition should be 2. So such will be 1 and 1. So x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So we can write it as x equal to x plus 1, and here plus 1 x plus 1. So we can write here x plus 1 x plus 1. So x plus common, so it will be x plus 1. So here what will be the roots? Minus 1 minus 1. So here roots are minus 1 of this equation. So how we will write it? Here it is minus, so here we write x plus 1, and if here it is minus, so here we will write x plus 1. So these are roots minus 1 and minus 1. So here what roots they have given? 1 by 5, 2 by 3. So here they have given roots as 1 by 5 and 2 by 3. Just what we need to do, we just need to reverse this sign. So here how we can write? Here it is minus, so here it will become plus. So x, here it is plus, so here it is minus, and here it is plus, so here it is minus, equal to 0. So here roots are minus, so how we wrote x plus 1 x plus 1. Here roots are plus, so how we will write x minus 1 by 5 into x minus 2 by 3. So now we will solve this, so we will get one quadratic equation. So how we can solve this? So uh, we will multiply x with whole term, and after that minus 1 by 5 with whole term. This is the rule. So individually with x you need to multiply whole this, with minus 1 by 5 you need to multiply with the whole this. So I will just solve this. I think you understood. If it is plus, so here we need to take minus. So here it is minus there, so I have taken x plus 1 equal to 0. So we will get to the quadratic equation. So here roots are given plus, so I have taken minus, and I will solve it to quadratic equation. So x into x will be x square, and x into minus 2 by 3 will be minus 2 by 3x. So minus 1 by 5 into x will be minus 1 by 5x, and here minus will be plus, so 1 by 5 into 2 by 3 equal to 0. So now we will solve this x square as it is. So minus we will take outside, and inside bracket we will minus 6 we will take outside, and inside bracket will be 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So minus we have taken outside, so inside bracket 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5, and here 2 as it is. 5 into 3 is 15 equal to 0. So now next we will solve x square, x as it is. So we will cross multiply here. 5 into 2 is 10, or LCM method also you can use. So here LCM will be 15, so here into 5, here into 3. So like then also do, or you can directly do cross multiplication also. I am doing cross multiplication. 5 into 2 is 10, 3 into 1 is 3, and 3 into 5 is 15 plus 2 by 15. So x square Here 10 into 3 is the 13 by 15. So 13 by 15 x plus 2 by 15 x. So this is quadratic equation formula, but in denominator it is 15, so it will be difficult to solve. So I will just multiply whole equation with 15. So how we can write 15, so x square. So here what will happen? So 15, if you multiply 15 and 15 will cancel, so minus 13x, and here 15 by 15 and 15 will cancel, so 2. I think hope you understood this. So I have multiplied the equation with 15, so I need to multiply 15 with all the terms. So 15 to x square is 15. So for second term, if I multiply numerator 15, denominator 15 will cancel, so minus 13x. And here also 2 by 15 is, if I multiply 15, 15 by 15 will cancel. So like this we have got this. Or if you do by LCM also, you can take, here it is 1. So if you take LCM, here it is, we will multiply by 15 and 1 1. So denominator 15 will come, 15 into 0 will be 15, like that also you can assume. Or 15 I have multiplied throughout. Okay, now we have got this equation. So by using these two roots we have got a quadratic equation. So up to quadratic equation we have reached. So next what we need to find, the if quadratic equation derived from roots, we need to divide by 2. So we need to uh, divide this by 2, and we need to add 2.5x square and 0.5x to this equation. So I will just write here. So 15x square minus 13x plus 2. So I need to divide by 2, and I need to add, after divide I need to add 2.5x square plus 0.5x, so equal to 0. So in the question only they mentioned quadratic derived from this, we need to divide by 2 and we need to add this. So up to here we will solve. After that, after solving this one quadratic equation form, we have to find the product of roots of that quadratic equation. So here divide by 2 is there, so just if a by b by c is there, then it will be a by c, b by c. We need to divide this c, a by c also we need to do, and b by c. If denominators are equal, we can write it as c and directly add. If reverse also we can do, a plus b by c is there, we need to do a by c and b by c. So we will write 15x square by 2 minus 13x by 2 plus 2 by 2, 2.5x plus 0.5x. So it will be 7.5 x square, and it will be 6, so 6.5x, and 2 by 2 is 1, so 2.5 x square plus 0.5 x. Okay, up to here we have solved. So now we will add x term with x and x square term with x square. So 7.5 x square plus 2.5 x square. So what will be 7.5 plus 2.5 will be 10. So 10x square, and here is minus 6.5 here, uh, plus 0.5, so 6.5, and here it is 5, so 6.5 minus 0.5 will be 6. So here greater is 6, so we will write as 6x and 1 as it is. So we have got the quadratic equation after dividing by 2 and adding this term. So of this we need to find the product of roots of newly formed quadratic equation. So we need to find the product of roots. So with either you can solve this or directly one formula is there. So if any quadratic equation is there, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here what will be sum of roots is minus b by a. Sum of roots of this quadratic equation is minus b by a, and product of roots is product of roots is c by a. So this is a for any quadratic equation this will be true. So if in any quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, sum of roots will be minus b by a, and the product of the roots of this equation quadratic equation will be c by a. So in this equation only they have asked a product of roots of quadratic equation. So we will compare this with this. So what will be the value of a? Value of a is 10, and value of b is minus 6, and value of c is 1. So up to here, I think you have we have this is the standard formulas for quadratic equations. Sum of roots will be minus b by n, product of roots will be c by a. So by using this, we are comparing a equal to 10, b equal to minus 6, and c equal to 1. So product of roots will be c by a. So value of product of roots is c by a. So value of c for this equation is 1, and value of a is 10. So product of roots is 1 by 10. So our correct answer will be a equal to 1 by 10. So product of roots is 1 by 10. By using standard notations of quadratic, so we have just know this. So by using this, we can directly find the product of roots will be c by a. So c by a is 1 by 10. So this is the way to solve the guys. If you have any doubts, you can comment in chat. Thank you.